Okay, here is a short recording of our new app. Actually, I'll go back to the start screen. Okay, so there's a normal smartphone window face. I'll go to my app area. We will change the icon one day, but here is just a standard new app icon. I open the app. For those of you who have used the web orders, you know that you can either log on as a distributor or as a customer. Okay, so if you log on as a distributor, you can go to any account, and if you log on as a customer, you can only go, of course, to your own account. We've added this option so that it can be very easy to get in for 30 days. I'll log in now actually as an account. Let's change that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so this email address has been connected to an account in the system. So that's it. That's my NFL number, or sorry, a line number, line account number, and account. Now, because I'm a customer, I cannot edit those, and that's my Supervend account number that email address has been connected to, 550, through the sign-in process. And if I go to the order, okay, so here is the order pad. Now this set of products here is exactly the same as you see in the Supervend order pad. So it synchronizes with the order grid in Supervend. Very easy to send an order. We click and we can choose any set of numbers we want. Okay, so I'm just doing that with my finger. Maybe 8 of those. You can see that the line goes blue because we've ordered something, and let's maybe click on that. Let's maybe get 7 of those, another 8 of those, and let's get nice and fast 11 of those. Okay, so there's my order, and it's as simple as sending the order. The system checks what day it is. If it's for tomorrow, we can say yes. If no, we can then go to a calendar, but I'll say yes for tomorrow. Actually, I'll say no. I'll show you no. So it comes up with a calendar. Let's make it, instead of for tomorrow, let's make it for the next day, the 11th. We can set the date. We can put a message if we like. And we can send the order. And that's done. The little success symbol says that the order has been sent to our API, and any moment now we will see a there it is. There is an email confirmation back to the customer. Okay, so that was an order. Very, very quick to send an order. What are the other things that we've got in here? We could have put a purchase order. If the customer wanted to put a purchase order, it'll send that through. There's a full product list. Customers can add other products. Whoops, my phone's running out of power. They can add any products, choose a product, and search the products. Show me all light whites or anything with the word light in there, and we can choose one and we can add it to our order tab. Okay, so 2 products have been added to the orders page. Okay, so what else is in here? We have set up in the settings area. Let's just get rid of that keyboard. Just get rid of the keyboard. In the settings area, the customer can set up a reminder. So they can create a reminder to place an order at certain times of the day, and that'll send a notification to their phone. And we can also get the distributor details. there is distributors, and even click on that to make a phone call straight away. And that's me calling the distributor's number, send the call, go back to the app. Now that, of course, could be anything. Could be a special, could be a new product, and that could be one of the things that we develop. The other nice thing that we might develop is when we actually choose a number or choose a product, it's very easy for us, rather than go 1, 2, 3, 4, to do things like show 16, 32, 48, or of course for a 2 litre to show only 9, 18, 27, for example. Very easy for us to add, but they're the sort of things that we will get some feedback on. If I go out of this customer and if I sign out and sign back in, now I'll sign back in here as a distributor. And why I'm showing you this is that as a distributor, you can actually access any account. So this might be useful to do stock orders, or to do orders from the fridge, or multiple customers' orders if you're out in a car taking orders. So for example, there is me going to a stock order, and we could use this to push stock into the system at any time. Okay, so I'll just go there and I will then sign out or exit. Okay, so it's the first first view of the app. That's looking good. When we get some feedback on the structure, we may add some color, add some new icons, and make it look a bit prettier. But from a feature perspective or a functional perspective, it's looking good. So let us know what you think. Cheers. Bye bye.